Adjustments to financial statements. Adjustments needed for accruals and prepayments. Accrual, an expense which is due in the accounting period but has not been paid. When preparing the SOFP, these are known collectively as other payables. Prepayment, payments made by a business in advance of the benefits to be derived from them. When preparing the statement of financial statement, these are collectively known as other receivables. Adjustments needed for irrecoverable debts and doubtful debts. Irrecoverable debt, a debt due from a customer which it is expected will never be paid by them. Doubtful debt, a debt due from a customer where it is uncertain whether/not it will be repaid by them. Why is a provision for doubtful debts created? Application of concept of prudence, 1. Application of matching concept, 1. Profit may be overstated in the event of irrecoverable debts, 1. TR/current assets may be overstated, 1. Factors to consider when setting rate for provision of doubtful debts. The business's past experience of irrecoverable debts, 1. The usual rate applied for businesses of this type, 1. Analysis of the existing debts and how long they have been. Outstanding / based on aging schedule of TR, 1. When the provision is first created, debit the IS and credit a provision for doubtful debts ACC with the full amount of the provision. In the years that follow, the entries in the ACC will only be increased/decreased in the amounts required for the provision. Debit the IS and credit the provision for doubtful debts with any increases in the provision. Credit the IS and debit the provision for doubtful debts with any decreases in the provision.